G'day everybody, my name's Emma Doyle and I just wanted to invite and welcome you to the Emerging Leadership Program. Number 1 is all about providing you with the practical skills, the how to practice management of yourself and that of others so that you can step into your leadership greatness. This is what the course looks like. This is our genius model, so to speak. And we're going to have a lot of fun unpacking these 9 modules. Of course, 2 of them will be in person. At each time, you're going to be adding to your toolkit. So you're getting practical tools like this one here. We call this one the hammer. And it's just 4 great questions to help people move from procrastinating into taking action. Great with engineers, this tool. Lots of other tools in person. You're going to be getting this one, the grow model, so that you can bring out the best in yourself and in others. We're going to have a lot of fun doing it. You will be given a gift. Yes, I believe in having fun. Some people have called me the real life female version of Coach Ted Lasso, believing that it is more important to be curious than judgmental. Of course, curiosity is one of the superpowers of a leader and, of course, one of our modules. We've got our fortune cookie tennis balls because, yes, I was previously a high-performance tennis coach turned corporate coach, and you open them up and they've got little quotes, motivational quotes inside. This one inside actually says, talent is not nearly as important as execution. We have our motivational rocks. So you can pick from a fortune cookie, you can pick a rock, or these little bracelets that have different words on them. This one says joy. It is important that we bring joy, that we bring energy and fun into the active learning cycle, which you'll be doing month to month. I'm going to be using the word practice a lot because my book, which you'll also be receiving as a gift, is called What Makes a Great Coach. Now, this is based on over 520 of the world's leading coaches. I asked them in 1 to a maximum of 3 words, what makes a great coach, synthesize that into the top data. And a lot of the practices in the book, you'll see are layered throughout the genius model of the Emerging Leadership Program. It is important that you take action, as I like to say. So the ball is in your court. I hope to see you on the other side. And please reach out if you have any questions. All right, take care, everybody, and keep growing your leadership toolkits. Bye for now.